Hi, I'm Adrienne. Today I'm going to make these pink paper roses, which are a lot easier than they look. You'll need tissue paper, scissors, a glass vase, and a glue gun. To get started, cut the tissue paper into a pile of circles. I folded my tissue paper so I could cut several layers at the same time. The circles don't need to be perfect. Wrap one circle over the lip of the vase and layer on more circles, gluing here and there. Turn the vase over to check your progress. Give the flower a sturdy base by gluing a circle across the entire top of the vase. Turn over and twist to remove. Now that you see the method, think of the possibilities. For these purple and yellow flowers, I used regular copy paper. You could scale up, you could scale down, you could use any kind of paper you have. The possibilities are really endless on this one. Have fun!